Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. It's been a few. Let's see. Scott had 4th of July weekend off. Well, he was technically off from work, and then he had Monday off because of the holiday, and then he took the 5th as a vacation day, and then he had Wednesday and Thursday off of his main schedule. So we had a lot of days, and we did a lot of stuff around the house. I'm talking outside. And I'm going to share a video. Probably tomorrow, I think I'll do the video. So I haven't been on. I've been quite busy. So I thought I'd share some stuff that came in and show you. So there's a gal here in Wisconsin. I'm in the middle of Wisconsin. She's in the lower region. And she has a little store online. And I picked this up from her. It's a Merry and Bright by Arts by Marlene. And I already stamped, well, I got one colored, I'll show you. I didn't do the globe yet. I haven't been crafting, guys. Can you believe it? Well, I shouldn't say crafting in here. I have been doing some crafts outside. So, isn't she cute? But, I picked this up. It has this little snow globe. Let's see. There we go. So you get the snow globe, the little lights. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Warm wishes, Merry Christmas. That's the little elf. I think she's so adorable. So I got that. And I love gnomes. And she had this, and it's 2 different orders. I ordered them a couple days apart. Okay. And this was a kit. You got all this. So you got a 6x6 paper pad. And then you got Happy Hunting, and it says decoupage. And then you got some stamps. And I thought they were so cute. Look at the little gnomes at Halloween. Trick or treat. Spooky. Look at the little owls. Little mummy owl. Spooky. So you got that one with it. And then you got the little ghost. Tombstone. A pumpkin. A little wheelbarrow with the mummy in it and some pumpkins, and it says Happy Halloween, Boo, bat, a little mushroom. And then we got it says 3D decoupage. These are cute. I can't wait to make these. I got a set like this at Christmas, and I actually made some decor. So you got this, and you take like the pieces, like layer 1, layer 2, and this, we'll do this. I'll show you real quick. You pop this out, so that'd be 1, and you take some foam, little foam squares. I'm not doing that right now. And then you would lay that on top a little bit. That'd be 2. Where's 3? Here would be 3, and everyone's a little different. Well, are they the same? Oh, nope. So then they are different. And then this would be layer 4. A little hat. Oh, and layer 4 is also the little pumpkin. So that would go, and then layer 5 is the boo. And then another layer 5, like the little pumpkin branches down here. And then the leaves. And then you just would stack them, and it makes it 3D. So it's really cute when it's totally done. So we got that one. And I believe you get 2 images of each. Yep. So here's that one again. And you get the little mummies, the owls, the little kitty cats and jack-o'-lanterns, so cute. And the gnome with the kitty cat, so cute. little bit anyhow. Quick. There we go. Oops, almost forgot a piece. There we go. That's that. And then also the 6x6 paper pad. And I don't believe this was $28, $25 for all of it. And then, okay, you get little pieces you can cut out here. And little squares. It's double-sided. So get 4, I want to say, of each one. Little bats. Look at that, it's pretty. So that's those. Little web. Okay. Okay, get 4 of the little squares. And 2 of the, it's got like a shimmer a little bit too. Got them, the web, and it's got a texture. Excuse me. You got little sands, werewolf wood, cobwebs cottage, pumpkin patch, keep out, ghouls and goblins, tricks, bats, pumpkin, shriek, shack, werewolf wood. So then it's the same wording, just different background. Boo. It says Boo, pumpkin patch, Troy Tubble, and Boo. It's like the same sayings, different background. A little haunted house, and then orange, and then green, and the bats, and then like polka dots on one side. This does have a shimmer, a little shimmer. You can kind of see it. Very cute. Stripes and green and orange stripes. Little pumpkins. And then just this little design. Look how pretty that shimmer is. A little ghost. And then some more little cutouts so you can cut out. So that is my little shopping spree that I ordered. I've had these sitting here for over a week, 2 weeks almost. So I kind of, it's the first time I've sat down in my craft room since before the 4th of July. And sitting here tonight and thought I'd do this video while I was kind of cleaning up a little bit. So I hope everybody is well out in YouTube land. I've missed you. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.